I just tried out this delicious shortbread cookie recipe, and of course I had to make some Miffy cookies with them. Let me show you how. It starts with creaming together room temperature unsalted butter and granulated sugar until just combined. Next, slowly add in your flour and salt mixture and let the ingredients mix on low speed until the flour is incorporated. I did add in a splash of vanilla before the flour is fully mixed in. At this point, the mixture will be soft and will resemble kinetic sand. You'll want to flour your working surface and pour out the dough to form it into a round disc. We'll wrap it in some plastic wrap and let it chill in the fridge for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the dough is ready for us to use. Flour your rolling pin till the dough doesn't stick. You'll want to roll the dough out to about ½ an inch thick all around. At this point, you can use any cookie cutter to form your desired shape. I decided to try out this Miffy one I have. If you find your dough sticking to the cookie cutter, I suggest coating the cookie cutter in flour for an easier release. And this is how they looked after removing them from the molds. I then firmly pressed the face detail mold onto the dough to create a visible imprint. I sprinkled them with some sugar to add some sweetness and shimmer. Bake these at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes, and the results are these beautiful and buttery shortbread cookies. Let me know if you try this recipe, and don't forget to like for more baking videos.